Hello and welcome to the Digital Strategy and Marketing channel. Today we are talking about how to export this to OBS. OBS is open broadcasting software so that you can present yourself in your meetings much more professionally and much better. Of course, you have that feeling that you don't look the same as everybody else who's in that online meeting, or even on your videos when you are doing your content. My name is Dennis Mboro, and we will dive right into Davinci Resolve to go into the exporting and then to OBS to see how to add it to OBS. Diving into Davinci Resolve, this is where we stopped on making the logo spin. If you haven't watched this video of how to make this logo spin, there is a link on the video that you can click to see the first video before now coming back to this video. The first thing we are going to do is to highlight the area that we are going to be working on, which I have done by pressing I and O to set the editing range, so that when you go to export, we are just going to export from this specific range. As you see in the first video, which has been uploaded already on this channel, the black in Davinci Resolve normally represents transparent background. But because we want to export it, and our logo is black, we want to ensure that there's a different color just for the purpose of contrast. To do that, come to Effects on the top left. Then under Toolbox is a place called Generators, and under Generators there is Solid Color. Drag the solid color under the logo. And once you click on the solid color, change this color. As you can see, it is black. Change this color to a color that is not on your logo. In this case, I chose red. Let me take brown this time. So this is how it looks. Okay, brown is a bit too close. So let me take color, that color, whichever color that is. Ladies, you can help us identify which color that is. So that's the color that we are going to choose. After choosing this color, you highlight both of them by either clicking and dragging and covering both areas, or alternatively, you can use Control and click and ensure that both of them are highlighted. Once you do that, you create a new compound clip. You can call the clip whatever, but now these two videos have been merged into one video. At this point, you go to Delivery. Delivery is the last tab. Deliver on this last part that looks like a jet. Click on it. Ensure that the render is set to the in and out range. Then come here to Custom Export. Give it a title. Say, for example, 3D spinning logo. Here is to find a place on your desktop to save it. Say, for example, this one is saving on the logos, on my logos section. Then go ahead, add to render queue. This is okay. All this is okay, MP4 and all that. And go ahead and render. Once it's done rendering, we want now to come and add it to this part of the screen so that we can be able to display it on our online meetings. To do that, we come to this plus, we add a media source, we can call it new spinning logo. Okay. Then find it where it is on your computer. "3D spinning logo." Ensure that you click loop and then okay. At this point, adjust the size that you want by changing the size of the plane. That is by grabbing these corners, these handles at the corner. Fit it where you want it to be, say for example there. And then you can reduce the speed. How you go ahead by reducing the speed is by coming to double clicking on the source. Then you can reduce the speed maybe to around, let's not put it too fast. Let's put it at around 50%, just so that it revolves nice and slow, and someone can be able to read it. What is missing now is seeing ourselves on the screen. To do that, right click, that is in OBS, click on filters, come to effect filters, color key, okay, drop down, custom color, select color, pick screen color, then pick this color on the screen. Once you click OK and you close, that is the spinning logo. And that is how you put the spinning logo onto OBS. Now, to translate it to Zoom, you just click on Start Virtual Camera. And when you go to your Zoom camera options, you'll find OBS Virtual Camera as one of the options. That is how now you add it to Zoom. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has been useful. Keep following our content to learn about digital tools, and see you in the next video.